Alright, so we got, you said we got water dripping. Oh yeah, I see it now.
Water dripping right there.
Oh wow, interesting.
Yeah. But there is attic space right in between there. So
Oh yeah, I just saw it. Yep, okay. Alright. Hello.
Linda, this is Shane.
Hi, Linda. Okay, here we go. Yep.
You'll see some drips coming off that duct.
Oh yeah, I see it there.
But I think it might be that if you see that 3/4 on the joist that's open, and that 3/4 is a 3/4 pipe there is kind of wet. It might be that or something under that insulation, those 2 1/2-inch lines. That's what I'm. Because the duct is not wet anywhere around, like it might be coming down from the top. Does that make any sense?
Mm-hmm. I hear something.
You do? So you see 2 3/4 lines on the top going to your left. That goes towards the water heater. That's the only other thing. And then there's
I found it.
You found it?
Yep.
Is it on that 3/4?
Mm-hmm. Tiniest little leak.
Tiniest biscuit, huh? Is everyone to fix it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, I guess let's. You said this is for what? The 3/4 here?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Well, you see it, huh?
Yeah, it's the tiniest little stream.
Yeah. A tiny mist. I thought it was a mist. That's probably why it wasn't registering. It's just the,
Yeah.
you know.
I can show you right here, Linda. It's the tiniest little mist.
Oh, I'm glad you have a mask.
All right, let's turn the water off.
Okie dokies.
I assume it's in the front here.
Yeah. Other side.
This will be 2 Big Rich videos almost back to back.
I'm going to be the tubes man. The new tubes.
You're gonna be as famous as me here soon.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see. 3/4. That was 3/4.
Yeah.
So I'll just get a couple of couplings and a piece of pipe. I think that should do it. One slip. And then one regular. And then I'm sure I got some scrap left over. There we go, right here. Is that type M though? No, it's L. Okay, I got this little scrap left over. Got a couple of couplings, and then how about a
Coupling
little...
and a repair coupling, or just
Yeah, no, I got it. Repair coupling, slip, and then we'll press it in. Alright. This is quite the predicament here. I don't know how I'm going to get up in here. Okay. I don't see where the pinhole was.
Huh?
I don't see where the pinhole, we might need a longer piece of copper.
Okay.
Just so we don't have to turn the water back on, you know?
Okay. It's right where the green is. It's right where the green is.
Are you sure? Because...
That's where it was in your video.
Oh, is it? You watch my videos, bro?
Yeah.
Just joking. Okay, can you... Is there any way you can get on that ladder and hand me everything?
Yep.
Because I am in quite the predicament here.
Okay. Can you do it?
Because this is very challenging. This. I got this board I'm laying on. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this. I mean, it's already wet, so.
Yeah. Do you want me to turn the water on again real quick?
No. Do you have a longer piece of 3/4?
No. Right, I got it.
Yeah, maybe turn the water back on. How long is that piece of copper I got? Oh, that's probably. No, we're good. We're good.
Okay.
We're good. We'll just yeah. All right. So let's just. Here, you want me to capture some of that water? Okay. It's not draining anymore.
Okay.
All right. And now, ugh. Okay. There's the pinhole right there.
Nice.
You can see it. See the little mountain in there? Mm-hmm. All right. Reamer, thank you, sir.
Need a rag or anything? I got rags too.
I think I'm good.
You need a marker, huh?
Yeah, I do. I forgot.
Black okay?
Yes, sir. All right.
Oh yeah, we took.
Okay. Maybe I'll cut that even more, just so. Ugh.
Why did I put it back in here? Okay.
Thank you. Okay. That is in. Now I just need to just prepare this. Okay. And sand, sand, and then insert, and then mark. All right. Now, are you able to hand me the Pro Prizzle?
Yeah.
I'll take that. Beautiful. Oh, it's doing that again. No. What is up with this freaking thing, man? It's doing that stupid thing again.
Oh, let's get reset.
There you go. Water's back on. No leaks. I don't see any leaks. This is a perfect example of where you have to be crazy to sweat something up here. I mean, really. This is harder than the tightest crawl space I've been in. I mean, this is very difficult.
Yeah.
All right. No leaks.
Where's the water on the other side?
No leaks.